Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this old dresser that we're going to redo and make fabulous again. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this project. Alright, this is part one of two. We're going to do a tall boy that matches this. And what really stuck out to me was the hardware. All these lions on it, all the nice subtle details that this piece has. So the plan is to pull the drawers out, make sure the subframe looks good. We'll remove the hardware. We're going to sand it down. We're going to make sure the frame's tight, so if anything's loose, we'll re-glue it together. Paint it black, scuff it slightly, and then, well, it's going to match the tall boy that we'll do also, and we'll sell it as a pair. So, first step, let's get the hardware off and the drawers pulled out. But first, let's do a run by just to see this piece up close. Alright, the drawers are out, hardware's off, now we can start sanding. See, I already want to go to painting because this step is gruesome. Because we got to sand, we got to get it all dirty. We're going to use our DeWalt sander 80 grit sandpaper. We also have some leftover sandpaper around here, so if there's anywhere that the DeWalt can't get, we'll break that out and use it. Got the drawers behind me, so this should be a pretty quick sand because we're just scuff sanding. We're not going to restain anything. Everything's going to get painted black. So once over to get a good adhesion for that paint. So here we go. Alright, we've wiped it down, vacuumed it out, and we're ready to start painting. As you can see, this thing's pretty scuffed up and it's looking the worst it has. But I promise it's going to start looking a lot better, and it's just going to keep getting better and better until we get this project finished. So, we're going to use our Behr Premium Plus. Color is blackout. The finish is eggshell. We're going to pull the drawers out, paint them twice, we'll do the frame, and then we can move forward. So, we're in Phoenix here. It's pretty dry. It's probably in the low 70s here today, so it's going to be perfect. So, pull the drawers, black paint, and our Worcester angled 2-inch brush. Here we go. Alright, we've painted it twice, we've let it dry, and now we're going to use our old sandpaper here and give it a nice little scuff. So a nice vintage feel, worn in look, not too much, just a light touch on it. This is definitely a step you could skip if you'd like, but well, Vintage Statements here really likes that look, so we're going to do that. So we'll get it all scuff sanded again, and then what we can do is go from there to waxing and getting the hardware back on. We're on the uptick of this project being done, so here we go. Alright, we scuffed it down. Now it looks all worn out again, right? But we're going to bring it back to life with our wax here. So Citrus Shield, it's just a premium neutral paste wax. I've got an old sock, got a glove. We're just going to go over this piece nice and easy. Hit all the drawers, all the frame of it. Bring it back to life, and then we're going to put that hardware on. So the next time you see this piece, it's going to be completed. Let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. We did 2 layers of black paint, blackout black paint. We scuffed it, we waxed it, and here's the end product. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and well, we'll keep doing some pretty cool projects. In fact, the next project we're going to do is the tall boy that matches this.